Hey guys, today we're going to illustrate the age-old concept that keeps you, me, and our vehicle engines running at peak performance. When we're thirsty, we can pull up water straight from the earth thanks to wells in a process called natural attenuation, or better known as filtration. Check it out. These layers of grass, sand, pebbles, and rock simulate layers of the earth. When I pour dirty water over the top, it flows through the layers, stripping away particulates as it travels down to the bottom. Similar science is at work within every ACDelco oil filter. Let's speed things up and see this in action. The resulting water is relatively clear. In an oil filter, the fibrous filtration material inside the canister collects impurities in the oil as it passes through. All oil filters collect harmful debris, but when you use an ACDelco oil filter, you get the advantage of the cellulose synthetic material that filters particles and debris smaller than 30 microns. That's roughly 3 times smaller than a human hair. We've cut open a couple ACDelco oil filters and pulled apart the filtration material for a closer look. From the high-strength steel or nylon core construction to a durable thermal set adhesive seal, ACDelco engineers its oil filters to the same high standard of GM vehicles. For our demonstration, we fitted an ACDelco oil filter to a remote oil filter mount, and the other end, a high-powered vacuum pump. As the dirty oil is pumped through the filtration material, more than 98% of the damaging particulates are stripped out. Now just imagine all this getting into your engine. Trust ACDelco oil filters to help keep impurities in check and engines running at peak performance.